Hey everyone, my name's Duffy. Welcome to Riveting Music. Along with my friends John and Nathan, we have tried to build up this page to support artists, bands, and musicians who align themselves in the industrial music scene. Our mantra, like, buy, share, means you should go like an artist's page. Show them that you're a fan. Buy their merchandise and music. This is how they are supported. This is the way they can continue creating for you. They're not making their money from streaming services. Share these artists with your family, with your friends on social media. This is the way that you can help build the fan base. What I'd like to show you today is our latest compilation called Tear Down the Walls, a riveting tribute to Pink Floyd The Wall. This is a 3 CD set in this nice DVD digipack. So I wanted to show you what we have here. On the cover we have artwork done by Voxy Creative. Beautiful artwork with the Statue of Liberty coming out, breaking the bonds, breaking through the wall. And as you open it up on the back side, we extend that artwork with the wall. So over here we have a nice little note from our enabler-in-chief, John Gleibach. And here we have a list of all the bands that contributed to this great compilation. 27 bands, 37 songs. And here, graffitied on this wall, is the band logos for every band that is on this compilation, including mine, which is Fractured Machines. Adrian Halo with Machines with Human Skin, with the help of Dan Milligan of Joy Thieves and Nathan Morimitsu of N810, as well as Riveting Music. Help me bring to life Run Like Hell. And then we'll flip this over to see the whole other side. And as I said, it is a 3 CD set. Each CD has the band logos of each band that's on the CD. So the first 2 CDs are the recreation of Pink Floyd The Wall. And now here on the 3rd CD is what we call Beyond the Wall. This is all the songs that were submitted to us, but we just didn't want to throw away. We wanted to make sure everybody heard this music. So that's where the 3rd CD is at. When you buy this CD, or you buy the digital, all proceeds go to Doctors Without Borders. And lastly, we have a little pull-out here. And here inside you have notes from each band about why they picked the tracks and their thoughts. And then on the back we have a note from Nathan Morimitsu as well. He calls himself the head of tequila acquisition here at Riveting Music. So that's his thoughts on that. So a beautiful 6-panel, 3 CD set, DVD digipack. We thought for a compilation like this, anything smaller like CD case just wouldn't be enough. If you'd like to pick up your own copy of Tear Down the Walls, a riveting tribute to Pink Floyd The Wall, go to rivetingmusic.rocks. There you can get this for $25. You can also get the download for $15. All proceeds go to Doctors Without Borders. And while you're there, why don't you grab a riveting protest? The proceeds to this sale goes to Family Tree, which helps with domestic violence and homelessness. We hope that you support us and the causes that we support, as well as the bands we support. Like, buy, share. Thank you very much, and I'll talk to you later.